Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be installing templates in Elementor. And by the way, you can visit InstaWP.io to launch your own disposable WordPress environment. This service has amazing free and pro features. Pro plans start at $9, so check it out. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins, then click Add New. Now type Elementor in the search box. Now we want to install the first result. Click Activate once it's done. Okay, so on the left-hand side, hover over Templates, then click Kit Library. Okay, so here you can find some really cool templates. We have categories on the left to select from, and you can also add templates to your favorites by clicking the heart. You can find them here. And if you take a look at the top right of the templates, you could see a Pro badge. So you need Elementor Pro to get these. So you can scroll down this page to find a template that you like. So I'm going to look for a free one. I think there was a bakery template at the top. It's right here. Yeah. So let's view this demo. It's a bread bakery template, which is free. And you can go into responsive mode by clicking the devices at the top. And if you like this template, click Apply Kit. Then click Get Started. So this is asking me to connect my site to the template library. Since I already have an Elementor account which is logged in, I can simply click Connect. But if you don't have an account as yet, you would have to go ahead and create one, then click Connect. Okay, so here we have a list of items that will not be imported unless we have Elementor Pro. Everything else can get imported, such as content and site settings. Once you're happy with this, click Next. Okay, so it says that the kit is now live. So let me go back to the dashboard and I'm going to view the website. Okay, so this is the bakery template. And if you want to edit this, go to the top and click Edit with Elementor. Okay, so you can edit text directly on the canvas by clicking on it and making your changes, or you can use the toolbar on the left and you'll be able to see your changes in real time. Now, you still have the original footer and header, and that is because this is being set by the theme. And you can also access the template library by clicking this folder icon. So here we have some pre-built templates that we can use, and most of them have the Elementor Pro badge, so you already know what that means. So we can only use the free ones. And if you'd like to add a section to your site, there are some blocks that you can use as well. So in the search box, if you type contact, we can see some contact forms, and if you click insert, you'll be able to instantly use this on your web page, and you'll be able to edit this block as well. Now, it's also possible to save your templates. You just need to let me close this, and all you need to do is click this folder icon and click the save icon right here. Then you'd need to give your template a name, then click save. And you can click this upload icon to import templates to your library. Okay, so I'm going to show you another method that you can use to install templates. But first, let's exit Elementor. Okay, so let's install a plugin. Hover over Plugins, then click Add New. Now you want to type Envato Elements in the search box. So it's the first result. Click Install now. Then click Activate. Okay, so now we need to go ahead and create a new template. So hover over Templates on the left-hand side and click Add New. Now select a template type. I'm going to select Page, and let's give it a name. I'm going to call this Test. Create Template. Okay, so click the Envato button. All right, so here we can upload and install kits. If we take a look at the top, we have access to premium kits, and these are really nice, but they're not free at all. Let's preview one. So this is very well designed. You see, it even has a pop-up. So if you are into purchasing kits, then this is the place to do so. But we also have some free kits like this restaurant kit. If you want to install it, simply click Install Kit and just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, click View Kit. Okay, so there is a message that says that 3 requirements are needed to install the kit correctly. If you click Install Requirements, it says that you need Elementor Pro, and it also needs to configure some other settings, such as default color schemes and typography schemes. So once you're okay with this, click Install above selected requirements. Okay, so everything was configured except it could not install Elementor Pro. You would need to purchase Elementor Pro. And we will have a link in the description to Elementor Pro. And of course, if you do decide to purchase, we will receive a small portion of the sale at no additional cost to you. So right now, I'm just importing the homepage 1 template, which does not need any of the requirements listed previously. So right now, it's at 83%. We should see it shortly. Okay, here it is. So this is the template that I just imported. And not every kit would need Elementor Pro. You can go through each one to see if Elementor Pro is a requirement or not. So now you know how to go ahead and install a template kit or a template in Elementor. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.